Hello, young artists. Today, we are going to draw a fantastic turtle. Are you ready?
Yes.
You can add more details, like for texture or shading if you'd like, but you've got the basic turtle drawing down.
Thank you, teacher. I had a great time drawing this turtle with your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better at drawing turtle and other animals. Drawing is all about practice and patience.